Hey, what's up, J Squad? TGIF. Today is December 15th, Friday, and today is day 15 of Vlogmas. So I really hope y'all enjoyed the vlog on yesterday with the Q&A. We both enjoyed doing it. It was so much fun, and I probably will be doing it later again one day. So right now it's crunch time, y'all. I need to finish the pajamas, finish the gifts. I need to start the decor. I need to start setting up and doing my placement so I can know where everything goes or where I want it to be. Just like Thanksgiving, I like to do all that stuff early. So tomorrow, once the food is being done, all you do is put it in its place, and then we're going to be ready to party. Tomorrow, during the Friendsmas, I will be recording, vlogging or whatever. But y'all won't see them clips probably until Saturday. So I'm going to record tomorrow just to show y'all the finished look of everything and how everything is set up. But y'all won't see the clips until Sunday's vlog, because that's just going to be a lot, y'all. It's going to be a lot. So stay tuned. So let's get these pajamas started. I already put the name on mine, so let me show y'all. This is how it looks. Isn't it cute? I use like a Christmas font in the Cricut design app. And it's just so Christmassy and fun. And then it's the flock vinyl. So you can see it's really nice. It's kind of, it feels like felt. That's what it feels like. It's really nice and fun. So let's get into doing the rest. So now I'm moving on to the labels. For the bag. The labels for the bag. So I gotta use transfer tape. This part right here always gets on my nerves because it's just so hard to pull it off. At least it is for me. So we're gonna go in and do that with my scissors. Y'all, I finished all the cute little shopping bags. So I'm gonna package the bottles and everything together. So let's get it done. Y'all, I'm done with the bags, and I just put them underneath the tree so people can just grab them on their way home. All right, the last thing that I'm gonna do on camera is decorate my shot tree. So I got these little balls from Dollar Tree and the tree from Dollar Tree out the $5 section and the tree skirt. But these clear balls, I'm gonna put liquor in it. It's gonna be a shot. So yeah, might mix it with a little bit of juice. But yeah, so I think this is so cute. Right now, I'm just gonna put these bows on there. I already have one on there. As you can see, I got one, but I already got all the balls on there. So yeah, let's get to it. balls on there. So cute. The tree skirt is also from Dollar Tree. Now the best part about this tree, let me show y'all. It lights up. Isn't it so cute? So you'll be able to actually see the ornaments once the liquor and juice is inside of them. But yeah, I think this is a nice little touch. I believe I saw some people do this on TikTok, and I just had to do it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog right here because I'm about to get ready to go to dinner. But before I do, I want to show y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and blow these up once I get back from dinner. I got red, I got white. I like to stick my balloons on the ceiling. If you did not know, to make it look like it's helium, you get some tape, you tape it to the top of the balloon, and you stick it on the ceiling, and then I'm gonna add ribbon. I do this for mainly every party I have, so that's what I'm gonna do once I get back. But I hope you guys have a great Friday evening. And I will see y'all tomorrow for day 16 of Vlogmas. And Friendmas is tomorrow. Y'all, it's gonna be lit. Just wait on it. It's gonna be lit.